Hey guys, it's Rob from All Things Wood, Heat, and Maple. Here's a quick tip for the spring season. Go out and take a look and check out the maples that are starting to bloom now. The leaves are opening up. Compare those to other trees that are in the area. For this example, I've got some beech and some maple right next to each other, and check out the difference. So here we've got a nice young maple, little cluster of maples. You can see these leaves are opening up beautifully, and you can tell they're maples. And right next to it, I've got this beech. This property's got a lot of oak, beech, and maples. You can see these haven't even opened up yet. So this is a really good way for you to figure out which trees are maples. Early in the season, in the spring, you go out, you flag the ones that are maples. You'll know right from the get-go. You won't have to get out your binoculars and try and look at leaves and that kind of thing. So spring is a really good time to go into your woods. It also helps if you want to figure out which of your bushes and undergrowth are invasive. 90% of what you see here, whether it's barberry or burning bush, most of these invasives you'll find will start to green out early in the year, beating a lot of the native, competing with the native plants. And then later on in the year, especially with the example of the burning bush, you're going to see those late in the season. They'll be turning red, but they last a long time. They start early. They get a good jump on the competition, start taking over the forest floor, rooting out all those native plants. So spring is a great time to get in your woods. Go out, see what you've got in your woods, and we'll see you on the next one. All Things Wood, Heat, and Maple.